Hey guys, welcome to our channel ChandraAwesome. In this today's video, I'm going to explain about what is the best approach when you design a product or a shape in Onshape. Not only in Onshape, in any CAD software. When you perform but when you want to design something back, we have several approaches to get the design shape. But which is the best one and which is suitable for in futures when you perform to do editings to the particular product. So I'm going to explain in this video. So just watch the video completely till the end. You might get some information about it. Okay. Let's, for example, I just taken this part. This is a simple cylinder and have two fillets on either of the edges of the cylinder. Okay. So what do you think the approaches you can get this shape? We can get several approaches. Many of you are thinking about that either by extrude and performing the lead operations. Instead of that, let me show you what is the approaches we can get this shape and what are the effects and what are the best one from all these features to get shape. Okay, I'm just going to hide this shape. I'm going to send the front plane and send the sketch and draw a simple circle. Let's give it some dimension of, I'm going to do 4 inches and click OK. So what we can do, let's come to it with extrude. Just place on the sketch, extrude it, and give about 2 in depth, and click OK. And what you can do, just simply give the fields, sorry. Got 40. So let's give it 0.3 to get the shape. 0.5, yes, let it be like this. Okay. Here we give it the fillet. And no, you got the shape. It's just like a similar one. Don't feel that the exact one, okay? So this is the one approach to get the shape. So what is the other approach? By doing the revolve operation. Okay? Just hide this part. Do sell this right plane because I want to change orientation. Okay, let's work with the front plane as well. Okay? So what we can do, just simply draw the sketch of our front plane and how much dimension we give. We give 2 inch of width and diap of, right? Let's add a center axis. Forward point. This would show it. That's high. And we're given the fillet of 0.5, right? 0.5. Just to the point for heaviness as well. I will explain you why I did to the both sides. Okay? So what is this approach? By doing the revolve operation. Simply set the sketch. Then simply insert the axis and here we go. But the angle orientation is changed because the revolving is about to in X direction, but extrude of direction is in this side. Okay? Here we got shape. It's the orientation change, but totally the shape is same. Okay? So what is the angle approach we can get this shape? I will show you. Just show the sketch and tell the right plane and draw a safety finger. And give dimension, sorry, that's 2. What is? It is 4, right? Pick up. Select the sweep tool, select the sketch, and select the sweep operation. See? Either by using the sweep tool also, you can get the shape. And press OK. Now, you got the another approach. Let's hide it. Let's go with another approach. Let's use the lock tool. Select this face and enter face. And set the guide continuity. And set this as guide. Here you can see we got the shapes of here. But when you're working with the lock tool, we can't see the edges. There is no edges formed for this body. Right? But when you perform with a sweep, revolve, extrude, we got the edges. So that is the difference between lock tool and other tools. Okay. Now let me explain you with this. In this way approaches, by completing all 4 approaches, we get this desired shape as we want. But what is the best one out of this? Let's check it out. Okay. Let's do some editings to the sketch. Okay. First of all, let's perform the extrude one. Okay. Yes, in the sketch, I want to change to I want to increase 4.5. I just increase the diameter. That's it. And we got this. Let's side use. Let's show this part. Sorry. Yeah. I just increase the diameter compared to the other part. You can see I just increase the diameter, and I want to change the filter as well. I just increase it 0.6. So when I perform with the extrude one, I have to edit the 2 features. One is extrude, one is sketch, one is fillet, and one is extrude as well. I need to edit three features here. Sketch is the normal, and is the default one. So let's keep it at that, okay? And let's go with extrude and fillet. I have to edit 2 features here, right? Okay, let's hide this part. Let's come to the tool part again, which is extrude from using their wall tool. Okay, just edit the sketch. What are the dimensions? We just increase the thickness, right? Now, within the wrinkle diameter, let's go to the 0.5, and let's reduce to 0.6. Give it. What I did here, I just simply edit the sketch. That's it, right? So, but you can observe here the loft feature got error here. You can clearly see, right? The loft code. Why it got error? I'll explain you. Okay, let's hide this one. Come to the sweep part. Okay, to illustrate one, I need to, when you performing the sweep part, this is somewhat changed. It is 4.5. Why this is 4.5? Because here, when you perform this sweep tool, we set this curve as a part. So how much diameter it is, it doesn't care. It just taking it as a part. So it's totally depends on sketch 3. Here we just give it the part, right? But if I do edit to this part, there are nothing changes will happen. So there is no need of changing this swatch. Let's make center rule, let's keep 3. Plus operation. There's nothing changes happen here. It totally depends upon the sketch 3. Okay? Let's hide this one. But in the fourth one is the straight tool one, right? That's the whole part one. Okay? But here you got the other. Let's check it. So when performing the edit, we consider the cross here font, because by performing the lock tool, we use the sketch 3. When we edit the sketch 3, we change the dimensions of the sketch 3. Right? That's why. But when performing the lock tool, we use the sketch 4 as a guide tool. But when working with the guide tool, the curve should touch the edges of the sketch, but here is not touched. That's why we got the error. So simply just edit the sketch 4 and give dimensions as there, 0.5. Now click OK. Now we will get the shape. See? Now we got the shape. You might also think that instead of giving dimension here, we can make Onshape with it. Yeah, we can do that. Let's use them like delete this one and select the both features and give I. Where some entries could not be used, here you can see it clearly saying. But don't worry, yes, we can do that. Just select the point here and press OK. Now we got intersected. So when you edit the sketch, the whole design is going to be changed. Let's, for example, let's give Y. And you can see the sweep part one, the lock part one, both on 3 will get works. But they end up but there is a difference of all these steps of scratch. Let me explain you one by one. It is the same examples, okay? When you perform the extrude tool, let's recap. When you perform extrude tool, we edit two features. So one is extruding one is sketch one, and another is extrude one, and another is fillet one. Here we perform 3 steps, okay? Let's set this one. When you perform the whole one, I'm just only a single step. And I just only edit a single sketch, that is sketch 3, alright? Yep. And when I worked with the sweep tool, I didn't do any features because I just used the previous sketch. But when you are working with the new sketch, then also you just need to edit the one sketch. That is the profile sketch. Its path is circular. So whatever the dimension is, just don't care, just take it as a path, right? And when you perform the lock tool, you just clearly see that it's showing an error when you change the performance. Okay? Let's change the sketch to me. Okay? I just want to add some color here. Simple like this, some random color. Click OK. Now you see. This is the third part, which is actually divided over 1. Okay? Let's simply hide it. Let's show the fourth part. Yeah, fourth one also we got it. But when you get the fifth part, you can see what just happened here. Because the lock tool depends on two faces, right? One is top one is bottom one. But we just only edit the one sketch because when you're working with that revolving tool, we just need to one set of it is enough. We don't need to edit the other sketch as well. That's why. But for the loft, it will not work. That's why we got this error or some irregular shape to perform that. When you work with the loft, you just need to edit the sketch again. Okay. Now let's use the mirror tool. Add the color the right way. But the shape changes. See the loft one. You can see there is some narrow point is formed here. Like this type of narrow point will be formed when you perform the loft because the sketches have assembly part here. You can't see right here. Okay. SQ curve surface analysis. Yep. See? This is the shape you get at the center. For the loft part 1. Let's do the analysis for the fourth part 1. But here you see. When you're working with the fourth part 1, you can see it's completely circular. It does not have any irregular shape. When you move the face also, it will clearly give the nice shape, right? Let's work with the third part 1. So these self-analysis. See, is given as a sweep, same as the revolve tool was looking the same as a sweep operation output. But when a second part 1, if you want like this sketch, what you can do here? What you can do? Just simply add the sketch or performing the offset the plane, or if you don't want to offset the plane, just simply come to front move place. Just simply select the plane. Okay, you just need to draw the sketch to get that shape, but we will not get the edge inside here. Let's see. Here we just already have the sketch, right? Just simply extrude it by doing the remove operation. Did you get the same shape as the revolve one here? No, right? You can clearly see that. The extrude one just gives the battle axis way. It will not give a revolving type. It's just clearly absorbed. It's just given the shape and not really all the extra material. Extra part is formed because of that, which is of no use for now. Right? But when you perform these, the revolve one and sweep one, we didn't get any extra shapes. With the shape, we got the shape. The sweep tool also sometimes will not work, guys, because of we are using this center one, we got like the shape. Let's see. Let me show this one. Let's edit this one. Okay. As for example, let me add a center line to be on the both of sides. Okay, I want to cut this and see what will happen. See, I take an error for the left because of the kite. That's an issue. Well, because the seed form is the white one. So, you click it, go. Yeah, the fourth one is the. When I just change the path, it just stopped here, right? So it just completely dependent on the path. That's what. But here we got an error again. Why? Because of the current curve. Okay, so which approach you feel the best one to get this perfect shape for when you're performing this cylindrical parts? Which is the best approach you understand? Please let me know in the comment box. Okay, I hope you might understand. For me, the best approaches I usually use the wall tool because I just need to edit the sketch and nothing much. Because it is simple, I don't need to have so many steps to perform this. I just need to simply edit the sketch. That's it. Okay. So I hope you might understand why I am trying to do this video to explain for the CAD designers, because while performing the CAD modeling and two designs, we might go in several approaches, mostly for the beginners. Okay, mostly for the beginners, right? So they may already face this approaches, but when doing the editing to the parts when you want, we may face this type of problems if you go with the other features like extrude, or sweep, or loft. So my best approach is when you perform the cylindrical or curved surface parts, I really prefer revolve. Just give this simply part. We just need to perform the remove operations enough. I don't need to do the extra features for that. And that's all about today's topic, guys. I hope you might understand what I'm trying to teach you in this video. If you really like it and understand, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. If I do any mistakes, please let me know in the comment box. I will learn from them. And thanks for watching, and let me know which approach you feel good in this. Thank you. Have a nice day.